Good morning, student. Myself, Sujita Mahesh, and today I am representing a new chapter called Democracy. Student, this is the chapter of class 10th, and it's the first part of chapter chapter 5 of this class. Now, what do you understand by democracy? Can anyone tell me? What do you understand by democracy? Student, the rule of democracy. What is a democracy? Let me tell you, this is the rule of the people to ensure respect of every citizen, equality, fundamental rights, justice, secularism, special provision for weaker section. स्टूडेंट्स, ये वाला पार्ट आपको आपके बुक में नहीं मिलेगा. ये एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है जो मेरी व्यू से मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब क्या है? डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब वो है जो रिस्पेक्ट करे हर सिटीज़न का, इक्वालिटी, फंडामेंटल राइट्स के बारे में, जस्टिस के बारे में, सेक्युलरिज्म के बारे में, स्पेशल प्रोविजन फॉर वीकर सेक्शन. डेमोक्रेसी इज़ अ रूल ऑफ द पीपल, बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल. दिस वन, I think this one is heard by you from the class 5th 6th standard. ये word आपने बहुत पहले से ही सुना होगा. What is the democracy? Now let me tell you who gave this definition. The person who gave this definition is Abraham Lincoln. The Abraham Lincoln who gave this definition in very easy way. Now in the English word democracy means you can say that लोकतंत्र, प्रजातंत्र और जनता तंत्र. डेमोक्रेसी को टुकड़ों में अगर हम बात करें तो व्हाट इज द डेमोक्रेसी? डेमो मीन्स डेमो एंड द क्रेसी मीन्स क्रांति. दो द बेसिक मीनिंग ऑफ डेमो का मतलब है मॉब. But in the modern time it is meaning taken in the public, while the kranti का मतलब है power. Next, a system of governance based on power of people. It contains following some meanings, that is, this democracy means a method of taking decision, a group of concept for taking decision, concept related to normative value. In modern time, democracy is perceived as a nothing but a follow of only governors. Democracy is a word that different meaning. हर किसी के अलग अलग विचार हैं. And emotional meaning is also attached to it. It is necessary for us to familiar with the concept attached to a various form. डेमोक्रेसी के बहुत सारे फॉर्म हैं, लेकिन उसमें से बेस्ट बता रही हूँ. 4 वेरियस फॉर्म है जो आपको ध्यान रखना है. दैट इज पॉलिटिकल डेमोक्रेसी, सोशल डेमोक्रेसी, इकोनॉमिकल डेमोक्रेसी एंड मॉरल डेमोक्रेसी. नाउ लेट मी टॉक अबाउट द पॉलिटिकल डेमोक्रेसी. द पॉलिटिकल डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स इंडिविजुअलिस्ट डेमोक्रेसी, और इस मॉडर्न एरा के बारे में हम बात करें तो इट्स अ लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी. इन मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसी, पॉलिटिकल democracy originated in the western country, so sometimes it is also called the western democracy also. Now the matrix के हिसाब से like to call the capitalist democracy. उनको वो ये capitalist डेमोक्रेसी बोलते थे, और उनके लिए भी वो 2 पॉलिटिकल फॉर्म में उन्होंने अपने आप को व्याख्यान किया है. या उनकी थिंक है democracy as a kind of state and democracy as a kind of governance. As a kind of state, democracy means, democracy का मतलब है democratic state. In the form of governance, meaning of democracy का मतलब है democratic regimes. As a part of the political democracy, there are 2 stream democratic rules: direct or indirect democracy, and or the indirect or representative democracy. Now it says that according to concept of the democratic state के बारे में बात करें तो sovereignty lies with the people and that's why the people hold the full ultimate power to the form, control and domination government in the form of governance. में गवर्नेंस के बारे में बात करें, द डेमोक्रेटिक is taken as a development and practice form of a theoretical side of the idea of democratic state. In the noteworthy that there are two forms of representative democracy prevalent in modern time. First is parliamentary democracy and second is a presidential democracy. Now let me talk about the basic assumptions of the political democracy have some prevalent. Political democracy believe in liberal constitutionalism. It believe in a sovereignty of the people. Democracy state is the theoretical part of the political democracy, while the democratic governance is the practical magnificence of it. People elect and control the government and also change the government. Political democracy is not a goal itself, but it is a meaning to achieve the democratic political goal and values. पॉलिटिकल्स के अपने अपने तरीके होते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम बात करेंगे उनकी पॉलिटिकल बिलीव करते हैं कि हर कोई इंसान बराबर है, हमें हर किसी की मदद करनी चाहिए. अगर मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग की कुछ पॉइंट्स बताए थे जिसमें मैंने आपको मेरे अपने खुद के व्यू बताए हुए थे, जिसमें मैंने ये इम्पॉर्टेंट कहा था आपको, ये आपके उसके अंदर नहीं है. पॉलिटिकल के अंदर यही बताया गया है, रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ एवरीवन, बिलीव द सॉवर्टी ऑफ पीपल. इसका मतलब में देखा जाए तो इक्वालिटी, फंडामेंटल राइट्स के बारे में बात करने के लिए कह रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिकली वर्क करने के लिए कह रहे हैं, जस्टिस करना, दैट मीन्स इलेक्टिंग एंड कंट्रोल द गवर्नमेंट एंड चेंज द गवर्नमेंट. हम चाहे तो हमारी सरकार बदल सकते हैं, पीपल के पास पूरी राइट है. आफ्टर 18 years द स्टूडेंट, द पर्सन्स कैन इलेक्ट एनी वन इफ यू वांट. It's a right given by our government. Political, it also says that it achieve the democratic political goal and values. कुछ goals होते हैं जिसमें उनको वर्कआउट करना पड़ता है. Without goal they can't make one political parties. And first of all, especially they have to work in a weaker sections. Earlier I have said this thing. Now student, let me talk about the social democracy. Now first we talked about the political democracy. Now next is about a social democracy. Social democracy means a realization of social equality is key goal of social democracy. In short, social democracy को अगर आप बात करें, the individual should not to be discriminated against in society on the basis of race, color, caste, creed, gender, wealth and birth, etc. All should be considered equal persons. According to Harshans, democratic society is a society which holds the strength of the idea of equality and also the principle of equality prevalent. Student, the concept of the social democracy, of the right of social equality, it's generally means it's that people should get equal importance in the society and no one should be deemed as the mean of pleasure for any other person. अगर हम बात करते हैं उनकी प्रैक्टिस के बारे में तो सोशल डेमोक्रेसी क्या बताता है? प्रिविलेज बेस्ड ऑन रिलीजन, race, greed, language, gender, money, etc. in the society should be renowned. All people should be given equal opportunity for the social progress. हर किसी को राइट है. अगर मैं बोलूँ कि किसी गरीब पर्सन को भी लगता है, कोई दलित व्यक्ति को भी लगता है या फिर उच्च व्यक्ति को भी लगता है मुझे खड़ा होना है पॉलिटिकल वे में, ही और शी कैन स्टैंड इन द फ्रंट ऑफ देम एंड वी हैव द राइट. अगर हमें लगता है वो सही है हम उनको वोट दे सकते हैं. We don't have to see, the government didn't want to see or did not want to see the language, gender, money, greed, race, religion, nothing. The person who is working out for the country, the government want to see that particular people. Now next is about the economic democracy. अब economic democracy क्या होगा? Democracy as a kind of economy is a economic democracy. in present century. The economic democracy by Marxists and socialists in 18th or 19th century, individualists also discussed about democracy is a realm which has totally different from the economic democracy and Marxist and socialist. Now about the moral democracy. Some scholars have expected that democracy as a philosophy or a moral spiritual life. This is very moral approach, I would say, toward democracy is called a ethical democracy. Practical form of a democratic philosophies is which people value are previewed as the basis of foundation of society and governments. The best expression of model democracy, इसका फॉर्म स्लोगन दिया गया है, लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी. Now, of the liberal democracy revolution of France in 1789, here fraternity among all three are more significant because fraternity को ज़्यादा important दिया गया है. क्यों? Equality cannot without brotherhood among the individual, and the without equality freedom to cannot be achieved. Student, this much is that. Laterly, the second part we will talk about the various theories and concept of the democracy. Till then, Sudha madam is signing out. Have a nice day, students.